Oh shoot, it's recording. Whoops. I just got back. For those of you that anticipated a sell for UJ, I don't know what to say, but UJ was worth the buy. Look at that. $14, $15. So I'll show you guys what I did. Like while I was still in class, I know they got the FOMC press conference about to hit here in like 19 seconds. But I'll show you guys. I got nothing to hide here. I did take a hit on that pound on 2 cents, but the rest here, was all on the spike. And so I know the press conference about to start here real quick. A lot of people anticipated a sell for US dollar, and I did too because it was starting to rise up in the morning. Now anything can happen within the matter of a couple hours before that, and I didn't notice USD JPY or any of the US pairs. The US dollar index was still down, negative, and there wasn't anything positive. Even the if you guys can see here, I'm on MyFXbook on the economic calendar here on myfxbook.com, and it was all negative for US. So with that in mind, everyone thinks that it's already a sell because it's been dropping, and you don't want to think that way. You got to think of reversals. This is a huge day. And just in the matter of, I was over like $101, $102 in profit, and then I cashed out because I'm waiting on this right here. Now gold is already down at 1,300. USD JPY is already trying to break 112.2. Euro dropped the most in pips when this happened. Euro is at $1.18, and Euro was at $1.20. So you're talking about 2,000 points that it's dropped. So it's worth selling Euro. The pound finally started dropping a little bit, couple minutes after that, and so far the Euro and gold has dropped the most in pips, and the one that's gained the most. The two US pairs that's gained the most pips is USDCAD and USDCHF. I don't know why. I mean, I thought USDJPY would gain more pips, but this, I'm looking at the other iPhone here. So the other iPhone, I had these already set. I had these all set an hour before, and you can see the dollar amounts. These are just pennies because I want to see the direction and how much it has fluctuated within the last hour. And this is how much it has fluctuated. And you can see Euro has dropped significantly more than gold. And USDCAD and USDCHF USDCAD has risen up the most for the US pairs versus USDJPY. Now, so important to take in consideration for tonight is the BOJ, Bank of Japan interest rate decision. I don't expect anything positive out of Japan tonight. Now, if Yellen is speaking right now, so I chose to do the video versus watching her speak. And they're looking for the balance sheet reduction. They're looking for if they're going to do a rate hike for December. And they're looking to see what she has to say for the economy after the two hurricanes has hit for the United States. So those are the three biggest topics. And so, but I mean, so far everything is positive right now for the US. Can it reverse within a matter of seconds because of her speech? Yes, it can. And I haven't seen that. If it was going to do that, I would have done it already. And so, I mean, other than that, I mean, you have to be ready. Like I said in the morning, you have to be ready. The candles are going to spike up and down. And so from what I saw, people call it a knee jerk spike or knee-jerk reaction to the Forex market because of the Fed and the U.S. Economic data releases. And so it's very important that you don't rush yourself just because of one spike. I remember in the past that I would anticipate a spike, it'll go the other way, but then it doesn't spike. Like, I'll put an example. Like, I tried buying USDJPY, and it spiked down, so I immediately closed out. But it didn't spike down significantly. And then, wow. So gold just broke 1,300. Gold's at 12.99. UJ just broke 112. It's about to hit 112.3. Euro is just dropping like crazy right now. Euro is just really, really dropping. So you guys can see I was like 14 bucks. And now I'm at 30. Whatever this camera wants to get going. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, man, it took you so long. And just remember, guys, I took a big hit yesterday. I took a $100 hit, and so basically I'm just breaking even. And I only put in 150, well, less than 150 into this account. And so this is just a small account. And JFX, I will be paying attention to both iPhones on the JFX demo contest live, $10,000. And I am going to be really, really serious about winning the $10,000 starting October 1st. Those of you that haven't done it, haven't registered, you guys should. I mean, they pay up to 100 place. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Gold's really dropping right now. Gold's at 12.97. And so it's, you know, it comes a point to where, you know, why would we buy and why would we sell, and it's very crucial to understand this. And I'm just adding like 2 more positions. They're just penny lots. And so it is very important to pay attention ahead of time, like, 12 hours in advance. And last night USDJPY did not even go up. Didn't even create an uptrend for itself last night. It went up a little bit this morning, and I assumed that it would keep going so I could sell. But I couldn't even sell it because it didn't even go up the way I anticipated. And so plus gold was trying to regain itself too. And so now it's like, well, what do you do? What do you anticipate? And like I said, when it's a reversal day like this, where people think that end up being a sell and ends up being a buy, and you have to pay attention to the markets, within those couple hours before that. And so, I don't know what else to say. I mean, like I said, this is you can't go off the. I know a lot of people are trying to go off the interest rate decision. You can't go off of that. You already know that they weren't going to raise the rates today, anyways. They're just going to keep it. If they drop the rate, then yeah, obviously US dollar would drop like nothing. And so, other than that, I mean, I don't know. Other than that, I mean, gold broke 1,300. I mean, it was down all the way down to 12.97. It's trying to retrace itself right now. Euro has, I'm not gonna lie, if you sold Euro has dropped the most in pips today, in a matter of an hour. I mean, less than an hour. I mean, you talk about from the start of 1 p.m. Right now it's 1:39. talking about 39 minutes to catch. That's a lot. That's a lot of money already. If you were just to do, if you were just to do a 10-cent lot, I mean, it's over $100. You're talking about at least 400 or 500 in profit with a 10-cent lot. And so, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Wednesday is by far the most profitable day, and then the second most profitable day would be Thursday, and then Friday morning, it's only when you trade during the overlap of New York sessions and London sessions from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Central Time. Monday and Tuesday was been a struggle because Mondays and Tuesdays are like jam-packed school classes for me. So I tried to focus on scalping, which it didn't work out. I ended up losing more money than trying to swing. Basically, I'm just making all my money back from what I lost the past 2 days. So just remember that today you can make what you lost in the past couple of days, or you pretty much lost your whole account if you decided to sell US dollar instead. And so that's pretty much all I got. I mean, the reversals, like I said, it's usually Wednesday, if not Tuesday. Very, 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 very rarely it'd be on a Thursday where they cram all the news on Thursdays. And then, like I said, and then like I said, non-farm payroll is another reversal day that they pay attention to in case if the U.S. couldn't support that non-farm payroll. And I mean, that's pretty much all I got. The number one thing is you have to pay attention a couple hours ahead, and you can anticipate a lot for last night, and you can anticipate what might happen in the morning, but you don't want to anticipate the last minute of what might happen when you got 3 red news and the Fed is speaking and the interest rate decision. And so you don't ever want to anticipate anything last minute, because then that means you're making too many assumptions and too many predictions. And so you want to stick with one. And if you don't make it, then you don't make it. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I mean, I'm not 100% accurate all the time. But when you trade long enough, then you know exactly where the market's going to go. And there are days that you're not going to catch those spikes all the time. And so one spike can kill you, or one spike can make a huge profit for the day. And then don't try and then be too over aggressive or too be in the greedy mode. I'm not throwing like 10-cent lots or 20-cent lots right now. There's no point. The best time was an hour ago, not right now. Why would I want to throw? Because in the past I would stack 20-30 cents on top of what I already have here, and only just to catch just a couple more pips. Not worth it. And then it'll end up reversing or retracing back down. Then I end up losing what I just built. So it makes no sense to stack. You don't ever want to stack a higher lot on a smaller lot that you're already making money off of. It makes no sense. And so that's it. Hope you guys learn from my mistakes, my experiences, and that's pretty much all I got. I got homework to do. Midterms coming up again. Those of you that are going to school, going to college, and trading at the same time, and you got kids and got family to feed, it's crazy. So it is what it is, and like I said, so far it's been a great day. And like I said, you gotta keep learning from these experiences, and you don't want to repeat the same mistakes, because if you do, I mean, just take a break and take a breather and relax and understand why you took those trades at those times. And so that's all I got for you guys. I mean, I appreciate you guys watching me. Appreciate you guys, following me and subscribing. And yeah, I gotta go back to doing the college thing. And so, well, like I said, I will strive to make a video once a day when I'm trading, you know, Monday through Friday. I'm not talking about the weekends. Sunday, yeah, I'll do Sundays too. I want to be able to do Sunday opening because I want to talk about the gap. I want to talk about what I anticipate for the week. And so, that's pretty much all I got. So, I guess Yellen isn't really doing her speech that good enough. I'm still at 30 bucks, so it was up at 40 bucks, went down 30 bucks. I mean, it is what it is. So, like I said, yeah, be ready for these two red news, Bank of Japan, and I will get my hands on USDJPY for sure on this one. I don't know if I really want to trade New Zealand. They got their GDP. I don't know though. We'll see what's up. So that's pretty much all I got.